And we're back to learning Gimp, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a pill shape, and I'm also going to show you one way to create a half pill. I've got a simple black background and I'll create a new layer. I'll make it transparent and call it rectangle. Now I use the rectangle select tool. I just drag a random selection. We can adjust it via hand or right here with position and size. Let me use exact values so that I can add the half pill shape afterwards. I'll put it to 300, 300 and make it 800 times 500. With rounded corners, you can adjust it. So this would already be the pill shape. Just go up to the max and then you're good. At some point, you don't need to go higher depending on the selection. You can see that right here, already at around like 200, 300, it would be a pill shape, but crank it up to the max so you can be sure. Afterwards, use the bucket fill tool. And obviously keep these values in mind, so size 800 times 500. I've made it white with the foreground color, then left click. So this is my rectangle. Let me move it a little bit to the right and I create a new layer. It's still transparent. Create a new selection, it doesn't matter what it is, we've got our values. Position was 300, 300 and size 800 times 500. And now I'll add rounded corners here. I crank it to the max. I'll make it white, use the bucket fill tool, left click. Select none. And now you can reposition that. So this is the pill shape. Hold Ctrl when you do, so that it stays in the horizontal axis. And now you can make one side round and the other is going to be straight. Once you've got what you want, just merge these two layers with the function down here. And then you can crop it on the layer and use the alignment tool, left click and put it in center. So this is how you could create a half pill shape. And in general, this is the way to create these pill shapes, these rounded corners in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.